Hey everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2013 Mazda 3 GS Sky in white. So we have your headlights and running lights. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And then opening up the driver's side, we have lots of storage in the door, and then we have your exterior mirrors, windows, and locks. There is cloth seating throughout with a manually adjustable seat for the driver, and up top is the sunroof. Taking a look in the back, we have your storage in your door, your little cup holder, your window, and your back seating area. And we'll go around to the trunk. We have your Mazda badges. And then here is your back section. So the seats do fold down in case you do need any extra room. We'll take a look at the other side where you have that same cup holder, your window. You have some storage behind the seat. And this is your back section here. The middle does fold down to give you extra cup holders in case you don't have a passenger. And then opening up the passenger side, we have your storage in your door, your window and lock, and then your manually adjustable seat, and then the glove compartment. I'm gonna grab the key to show you the rest inside. Alright, so here is our key. We have our unlock, lock, our pop trunk, and our panic button. So we just start it up. So on our steering wheel, we have our mounted controls. So we have our cruise control options. This allows us So we have our cruise control options on the bottom. We have our voice recognition phone, volume for our audio. This allows us to change radio stations. This as well allows us to go through, change between Bluetooth or radio. On this section here, it allows us to go through the other side. So we have our settings. It's a little bit hard to see there, sorry. We have our fuel economy, average speed, our range, our FM settings, and then down below here we have our speedometer. There's currently 60,032 kilometers on this vehicle, so there's plenty of life left. If you want to make sure that you're fully covered, you speak to your financial advisor about purchasing an extended warranty. We have your trip right here, so we can switch between trip A and trip B. And then we have your hazards, AM, FM, CD, aux, also satellite. And then we have your climate control down below, your defroster, AC, and then you have the heated seats. This section lifts up to a 12-volt DC, and then the section also lifts up to 2 cup holders. And up top is our sunroof controls. Alright, so that's my video on this 2013 Mazda 3 GS Sky. If you want to come check it out for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.